So I'm going to put this rail along here, and this is basically going to be the base of some cupboards that come up here. Now this is a really strong piece of wood now. I'm just making some backends for the cupboards. I basically put 3 pieces in now. One on the top, one on the bottom, and a thin one on the back. The nature of the van means that they're kind of angled, so it kind of creates its natural sort of groove for it to go in. Just tap that in, basically all the way along. It kind of holds it itself. I'll put some extra bits in here, but it's very easy. Just one strip of wood. All I really made sure was that the distance from here to here was the same when I put this piece in, and I'm hoping, because I measured from here to here when I put this piece in, that this top strip will be the same, and I'll have some lovely backs for my cupboards. So this is it. I'm going to cut down, and then, just because it's a little bit rough, just doing everything pretty much on the jigsaw, I'm just going to take off the edge. Okay, now a little moment of truth. Into the van. Now you can actually do almost all the work for a van in a van. Just need to take a little bit out. There's a bulge in the form of the van, so if I just take a little bit out there, that will basically make it good. Found the solution. There's just enough space to slide it from the end. Now, that's amazing. Tight fit. I didn't even have to fix that because it's basically spot on. So I've probably spent about 2 hours just trying to make this as straight and level and square as possible. It's a real pain because got the top is at an angle, this is at an angle, this is at an angle. It's really hard to reference. What I ended up doing is to make it level, and because obviously the van isn't level, it's on a slight slope, I referenced this top of my kitchen, measured to the bottom of this, then I know that should be kind of level, and then I'm gonna have like an overlap. I've got this door, so the door's gonna sit inside here, so making this to fit right was a pain, and at the end I just have less attachment points, but now within a millimeter this is parallel and square, and that means when I come to do my cupboard doors, and it's really important that it's square for cupboard doors, we should be good. Fingers crossed. So I'm making some cupboard doors. Got these nice long profile handles, and they're going to go across the whole top back of the van. I've using flooring, like extra flooring. I thought I had even more, but it's good to buy a bit extra of the flooring because you can use it to cover cupboards or drawers, and it kind of ties the van together. It's quite nice, and it's quite a cheap way of doing it. So I'm just basically gluing some support strips onto the back. I hate doing cupboard doors, but the good news is if I can fudge something which at least looks half decent, so can you. So I've got my bottom cladding on. I've got a bit of structural support in here just to kind of help make it a bit more rigid inside, and probably to cover up where my lights are going through. I hope you enjoyed that video. We work really hard to make these videos, and we really appreciate that you helped us by supporting the content that we make. Don't forget that in the description there are a bunch of links for all the parts which we mentioned in this video, and check them out, and it will just make your life a little bit easier when you're searching for things to use for your van. Best of luck for the rest of your conversion. I can't wait to see you guys on the road.